In a landmark statement, Chief Justice of India, CJI, D.Y. Chandrachud, declared that courts should grant bail from A to Z, emphasizing the fundamental right to liberty. This bold assertion by the CJI is not just a mere statement, but a clarion call to the judiciary to uphold the essence of justice. This statement, laden with profound implications, has sparked widespread debate about the fairness and accessibility of justice in India. Legal experts, scholars, and the general public are engaging in intense discussions about the current state of the judicial system and the need for reforms. It underscores the crucial role of bail in upholding the principles of personal liberty and the presumption of innocence. Bail is not just a legal formality, but a fundamental right that ensures individuals are not unjustly deprived of their freedom. CJI Chandrachud's statement is particularly significant given India's complex legal landscape. The Indian judicial system, with its intricate procedures and lengthy trials, often sees individuals languishing in jails for extended periods without trial. It is a clear call for judges to exercise their discretion fairly and judiciously, ensuring that the process of justice does not become a punishment in itself. The CJI's words are a reminder that the judiciary must act as a guardian of individual rights and freedoms, ensuring that the process of justice does not become a punishment in itself. The emphasis on bail is a step towards reducing the burden on the prison system and ensuring that only those who pose a genuine threat to society are kept behind bars. The statement serves as a powerful reminder that every individual, regardless of their background, is entitled to equal protection under the law. It is a call to action for the judiciary to be more empathetic and considerate in their approach, ensuring that justice is not only done, but is seen to be done. The CJI's declaration is expected to have a ripple effect, prompting a re-evaluation of bail practices across the country. It is a step towards a more humane and just legal system, where the rights of individuals are paramount. As the debate continues, it is clear that CJI Chandrachud's statement has ignited a crucial conversation about the balance between law and liberty. The judiciary's role in safeguarding personal freedoms has never been more critical, and this statement is a significant step in that direction. In conclusion, CJI Chandrachud's bold statement is a beacon of hope for many, signaling a potential shift towards a more balanced and fair judicial system. It is a reminder that the pursuit of justice is an ongoing journey, one that requires constant vigilance and commitment to the principles of liberty and equality. The Indian legal system grants judges considerable discretion when it comes to granting bail. This discretion is meant to allow for a nuanced approach, considering the specific circumstances of each case. However, concerns have been raised about the inconsistent application of these principles, leading to accusations of bias and arbitrariness. CJI Chandrachud's statement directly addresses these concerns. It emphasizes that the power to grant bail should not be used selectively. It should be applied consistently, ensuring that the fundamental rights of all individuals are protected. The statement serves as a timely reminder of the judiciary's responsibility to uphold the principles of justice and fairness. The cases of Arnab Goswami and Mohammad Zubair offer stark examples of the inconsistencies in India's bail system. These two high-profile cases have drawn significant attention and sparked widespread debate about the fairness and impartiality of the judicial process in India. Goswami, a prominent journalist and the face of Republic TV, was granted bail by the Supreme Court in a matter of days. His arrest was related to an abetment to suicide case, which many viewed as politically motivated. Despite the gravity of the charges, the speed with which he was released raised eyebrows and led to questions about the influence of power and connections in the legal system. This was despite facing serious charges that could have warranted a more prolonged judicial process. The swift action in his case contrasted sharply with the experiences of many others who face similar or even lesser charges. On the other hand, Mohammed Zubair, a fact-checker and co-founder of Alt News, spent weeks in jail for a tweet before eventually securing bail. His arrest was seen by many as an attempt to stifle dissent and silence a critical voice. The prolonged detention for what many considered a minor offense highlighted the disparities in how justice is administered. These contrasting cases highlight the potential for bias and selective application of bail laws. They bring to light the inconsistencies that can arise when judicial decisions are influenced by external factors, such as political pressure or media attention. They underscore the need for a more transparent and accountable system. A system where decisions are made based on the merits of the case, rather than the individual's social or political standing. This would help restore public confidence in the judiciary and ensure that justice is truly blind. CJI Chandrachud's statement can be seen as a direct response to this disparity. His call for reforms aims to address these issues and promote a more equitable legal framework. By advocating for changes, he acknowledges the existing flaws and the need for a system that treats all individuals equally. It calls for a more equitable approach to bail, ensuring that the scales of justice are balanced. This means creating a legal environment where every individual, regardless of their status, can expect fair treatment. Only then can we hope to achieve true justice and uphold the principles of equality and fairness in our legal system. At the heart of CJI Chandrachud's statement lie three fundamental principles: personal liberty, presumption of innocence, and judicial independence. These principles are not just legal jargon. They are the pillars that uphold the very essence of justice in our society. The right to personal liberty is enshrined in the Indian Constitution. It emphasizes that an individual cannot be deprived of their freedom without a fair trial. This right ensures that every citizen has the freedom to live their life without undue interference from the state, as long as they abide by the law. The presumption of innocence is a cornerstone of any just legal system. It places the burden of proof on the prosecution, ensuring that individuals are not treated as guilty until proven otherwise. This principle protects individuals from wrongful convictions and upholds the integrity of the judicial process. It places the burden of proof on the prosecution, ensuring that individuals are not treated as guilty until proven otherwise. This principle is vital in maintaining public confidence in the legal system, as it ensures that justice is served fairly and without prejudice. Judicial independence is crucial for ensuring that judges can make impartial decisions without fear or favor. This independence allows judges to interpret the law based on facts and legal principles, free from external pressures or influences. These principles collectively form the bedrock of a fair and equitable judicial system. They ensure that justice is not only done, but is seen to be done, fostering trust and confidence in the legal system. Upholding these principles is essential for the protection of individual rights and the maintenance of social order. The phrase "from A to Z" in CJI Chandrachud's statement carries profound significance. It emphasizes that the principles of bail should be applied universally, regardless of an individual's social standing, political affiliation, or religious beliefs. This statement is a powerful message against selective justice. It underscores the judiciary's commitment to ensuring that the law protects everyone equally. It is a call for a more inclusive legal system where justice is not a privilege, but a right accessible to all.